How to attract squirrels to a yard. Many people enjoy seeing little squirrels scamper about. Watching them balance on a branch while chomping on an acorn can be quite entertaining. Attracting squirrels to your yard is easy if you follow these steps. Things you will need: birdseed, feeder corn, nail, hammer, plastic dish. Attract some birds. Squirrels are smart little guys, and they know that birds can find the best places to eat in town. If you put out bird seed, the squirrels will come check out the new restaurant. Make a simple squirrel feeder with feed corn. Hammer a 2-inch nail into a tree or fence. Then cut the tip off of the nail and stick a cob of feeder corn onto it. Once they know where the food is, the squirrels will come to eat. Put out some water. Nail a plastic dish or the bottom half of a milk jug to a tree or fence near your feeder and fill with water. Now your new little friends can stay hydrated. Tips: warnings. Squirrels like most nuts, sunflower seeds, fruits, berries, and of course dried corn. Squirrels tend to scare off birds. If you like having birds around, separate your squirrel and bird feeding areas.